Hello friends, welcome to Destination of Flavors.
You have seen many cake recipes in my previous videos. Today I am going to share you a cake recipe which is not only tasty but also very healthy. In this recipe no sugar or gur or jaggery is used. The sweetness of came from totally natural ingredients. So let's check out the recipe. First, grease a 8-inch cake tin with oil or butter and keep aside. Now take 2 medium-sized ripe bananas in a plate. Roughly mash with a fork. And pour into a mixer grinder. Add 2 tablespoons of plain thick curd or yogurt. Now add half cup or 60 grams of soaked seedless dates or khajur. Soak 60 grams seedless dates into 1/4 cup or 30 ml of hot milk and keep it for at least 1 hour, which will make dates soft and easy to grind. Keep aside the remaining milk. After that, add 1 tablespoon of soaked raisins. Soak raisin into water for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Now add 1/4 cup or 30 ml oil. Grind for 2 minutes and make a smooth paste. Now pour the paste into a mixing bowl. Add half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Place a strainer. Take 1 cup or 240 grams whole wheat flour or atta. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder or dalchini powder. Sieve together very well. Mix together. Now add remaining milk which we used to soften the dates. Mix gently. Add 1/4 cup of milk gradually. Total half cup of milk has been used here. Mix together very well. Now take handful of roasted walnuts. Roughly chop them and mixed with the cake mixture. Pour the mixture into the greased cake tin. Spread remaining walnuts on the top of the cake mixture. You can also add chopped dates and raisins as well. Little tap to set the mixture and avoid air bubbles. Now preheat a heavy base pan or kadhai in medium flame for 5 minutes and place a stand on it. Then place the cake tin on the stand. Cover with a lid and bake on low flame for 45 to 60 minutes. Now check the doneness of your cake. Insert a toothpick or fork. If it came out clean, it's done. The cake must be completely cool before demold. cut into pieces and enjoy. You can enjoy these healthy cakes during your breakfast or enjoy these cakes anytime, anywhere. You can see the softness of the cake. If you like my recipes, don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Till then, stay safe, eat healthy. Bye bye.